Almost 4 out of 5 Canadian drivers now switch to winter tires when the cold sets in. In the northern United States, only about 6% do. Many still believe their all-season tires work for every season, but they don't. Once temperatures drop below 7 degrees Celsius or 45 Fahrenheit, all-season tires start to harden. That loss of flexibility means less grip, longer braking distances, and less control, even on clear roads. Winter tires, on the other hand, stay soft in cold weather, keeping your car stable and predictable. According to the Tire and Rubber Association of Canada, 78% of drivers now use winter tires, a 10% increase in just 8 years. And most say those tires have helped them avoid close calls in icy or snowy conditions. It's not marketing, it's physics. Tests consistently show that vehicles with proper winter tires stop faster, accelerate smoother, and handle better in cold weather. Even if you have all-wheel drive, remember, it helps you go, but it doesn't help you stop. Some drivers still hesitate because of cost or storage, but using 2 sets of tires actually makes both last longer, since each is only used half the year. And when you compare that to the price of a single collision or insurance claim, it starts to make sense. If you're shopping for a set this winter, here are some proven performers for North American roads. Michelin X Ice Snow, made in Canada, excellent on ice and slush, smooth and quiet on dry pavement. Bridgestone Blizzak WS90 or DMV2, strong grip and long tread life. Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5, finish engineering for extreme cold, with micro grip crystals for added traction. Continental VikingContact 8, well balanced between snow, ice, and efficiency. General Altimax Arctic 12, durable, affordable, and stud optional where allowed. And if studs are legal where you live, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta 10 delivers unmatched grip on glare ice. If you're in Canada, check Quattro Tires, Black Circles, or pmstire.com. They ship nationwide and often run seasonal discounts. Also check Costco, which includes a strong warranty and free lifetime rotations, and Canadian Tire, which sometimes offers excellent pricing on exclusive winter models built just for them. If you really don't want to switch to a dedicated winter tire, at least consider a 4-season climate tire, something like the Michelin Cross Climate or Continental All-Season Contact. They're designed for year-round use, but stay flexible in cold weather, offering far better winter performance than regular all-seasons. Above the 45th parallel, a proper winter or climate tire isn't an upgrade. It's the right match for the roads and the weather. They stop shorter, handle better, and make every cold morning drive a lot less stressful. Drive safe this winter and choose the tires that fit your roads and your reality.